Second method, you can make it with crochet hook, and you can use this plastic ring. If you don't have plastic ring, even you can make it without plastic ring. Just wrap the thread around your finger 2-3 times or 4-5 times, how thick you want. And you have to make this ring according to the size of mirror. If mirror is big, you can use the index finger or middle finger. If mirror is small, you can use your little finger. Just wrap around like this. If you have this plastic frame, you can skip this step. We'll make blanket stitch around this ring. Like this is very simple and easy method. Just making blanket stitch around this. Hold it protect. You have to make blanket stitch around whole ring, and after completing this, it will look like this, and you'll end here. If you feel like you want to add another color, you can add it here like this. It will look like this if you add two colors. And how to add second color, like where you add it, you can just cut this first thread and start adding the second thread, and you have to make blanket stitch in between these stitches like this. And this was the first method with needle. Now I'll teach how to make it with crochet hook. If you are making it with the help of crochet hook, if you know how to crochet, we'll use single crochet. We'll make single crochet around this ring. If you don't have ring, then just wrap the thread around your finger and make ring with the help of this thread. You don't need plastic ring. And if you have it, you can use this, because ring can give nice finishing and it will look really good. Just make slip knot first and go inside the ring like this, and start making, because this is the slip knot, and now start making single crochet around this. This is very easy to make single crochet around the ring. If you know basic crochet stitches, you can make it easy. Just go inside the ring, just wrap, just pull the thread, just go up to, go inside the ring, and it will look like this, like chain stitch will come on the top of it. And after you finish this row, you can, if you want to add the second color like this has been made with needle and thread, and this has been made with crochet hook. If you want to add the second color, where here you will finish the first color, now you can add the second color here on the top of it, and start making second row of the single crochet over this chain, and it will look nice with double color on it.